Hey gut feeler friend, in this video I'm going to walk you through my complete step-by-step allergy healing routine. Best thing about this routine doesn't cost you any money, no supplements, no testing, no medication, and best of all, no more suffering. If you are, like me, sensitive to your environment, you're easily overwhelmed, you go to the mall and just like, oh my god, everything's too much, itching, swelling, got seasonal allergies, hay fever, dust mite allergies, and even this works for food allergies. Now, instead of going for antihistamines that just made me feel drowsy for 15 years and tired and dependent on pharmacy, you can copy my daily allergy healing routine that I'm going to show you right now. Make sure when you're watching this video now you can follow along, so doing this in the car while driving does not work. Only need 5 minutes once you got the routine down, and with a little bit of patience to practice you can get your power back, because your power for your health really belongs into your hands. Once in the morning, straight after getting out of bed, stretch and get going, and then before you go to bed. One thing I guarantee you, if you just do this for 1 week, twice per day, you're gonna see your immune system going through the roof in a healthy way. Stabilize your energy system and you strengthen your overall body, which makes you more resilient energetically, emotionally, and mentally. Without any further ado, let's do it, gut feeler. Are you ready? Okay, so there is a breathing pattern which is really important to do during this routine, and you breathe in through your nose if you can, and out through your mouth. And you continue with this all throughout the routine. Your sinus will clear up and all this congestion up there will just melt away. So there are 7 steps that we're gonna go through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and they are in an order. So don't jump around. That's why you're seeing me doing this stuff. Do this stuff as well, okay? The first one is called 4 Thumbs by Donna Eden from Energy Medicine. We're gonna start with your beautiful fingers, tapping the stomach point first, with quite some pressure. So don't do like super light tapping. This one is with pressure. And breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. You want to do this 20 times. This point is great for grounding you, like really reconnecting you with the earth. Next point is the kidney point, which is under your clavicula, under your collarbone, right here. I'm going to tap again with some pressure. You can hear this on the microphone, I guess. 20 seconds as well. This point is amazing to recharge your energy. Yeah, so the kidney meridian is all about recharging and activating the energy flow. It's very stuck when you have allergies. Bringing that back into flow. Next, the thymus gland, which sits here. Also tapping. You do this with both hands. And this I like to call the gorilla move, right? Because the gorilla boosts your immune system and brings presence into your body. And last but not least, on the 4 thumbs, spleen point, which is right under your nipples. So if you go down here, still on the rib cage, and go tapping firmly. Breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. This is great to regulate temperature. Spleen is all about metabolism, and for example, with allergies, I often had like a super hot head, and my feet were totally cold. My energy system was completely off. Spleen helps with that. Congratulations, you just finished step 1. Moving on to number 2. Take your hand, and now we're going to do gentle figure 8s around your eyes. This is a soft one. Alternatively, you can also do gentle tapping. Gentle tapping like this. This is great if you have itchy eyes, swollen eyes, sinus congestion, brain fog, you know, when your brain hemispheres are just so messed up that you can't think. It's great for memory. An alternative to this one, which I really like, is micro pinching. So you pinch really softly. It's like tickling someone. Yeah, so really softly around the eyes like that. See me? Yes. So try this one out. Remember to breathe. Breathe and smile, always good. Great for moving congested energy in this area of the head. Really awesome. The more often you do it, the more you program your body. So the faster your body will react to it, the more benefits you're going to see. It's just like celery juice, right? Exponential curve. Before moving on to number 3, I created for myself a cheat sheet that I put on my fridge with all those 7 steps so I don't forget, and I'm happy to share that with you. I have that on my website. I'll link that up here and also down there in the description below. You can download that for free so you can follow along with all of the steps and you have them easy to remember every day. All done so far, gut feeler? Moving on to number 3. Take your hand like this. You see in between your first finger and thumb, second finger, in here is this really uncomfortable point called liver 3. This is a liver point on the meridian, and we're going to press this, and this is with as much pressure as possible. Relax the hand and just press like this. You can also do some pulsating. If you have allergies, your liver is 100%, like there is not having allergies and not having a congested liver. So this point is very sensitive, very likely if you're dealing with sinus issues, allergies. But it's the best, it's one of the best points to minimize your allergy reaction, detoxifying the body. Other side can do as well. Brings out the strep bacteria. Strep bacteria, if you have watched any of the other allergy videos, this is one of the main reasons for having allergies in the first place. Resistant strains of strep bacteria. Keep pressing, keep pushing, pressuring with pushing. Uncomfortable, I know. In through the nose, out through the mouth. This is a point, by the way, wherever you're waiting somewhere. Always a good thing to do. And it gets less uncomfortable the more often you do it. The crown pull. You take your hands, put them up here, and on your hairline, you start from the middle, pushing with pressure out. So almost like separating your 2 brain hemispheres. Going along the hairline like this. Breathe. Don't forget to breathe. All around your head. In through the nose, out through the mouth, and then on the back, the same. Just all around. Yeah. Well. And then you stretch out the neck like this. Yes. And then you put your hands here and just let your hands hang in there for a second and breathe. Take a deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. And one more. And release. Well done. Number 4. Now we come to number 5. Big warning sign here, if you are pregnant, please do not massage this point and just go to the next one, because this is contraindicated for pregnancy. If you're not pregnant, this point is amazing for you. So for this point, you want to sit down, take off socks if you have any. We're going to massage an acupressure point, which is called large intestine 4. This point is between your big toe, second toe. Let me see if I can demonstrate this. Also going to put a picture here. In between, just before they melt together, this is the point. There's a little hole here. Yeah, here's bone and here's the hole. So you follow in between and there you go. This is it. See this? What I like to do is I put both feet here and massage them simultaneously. You see this? Yay, like that. So you're gonna massage, and this point, oh my God. First of all, if it's tender, you need it. It's super congested, especially large intestine meridian. It has to do with sinus congestion. You wouldn't think, right? Because foot is there, sinus is up here. But if you keep doing it, you will notice the big difference that it makes. Pressure, pulsating a little bit. Pressure, pulsating. I'm doing exercise here for you. Yeah, keep going. 30 more seconds. If it's uncomfortable, I know. But then you know you're on the right point. Everything nose related. If you sneeze a lot, you have a runny nose, congested nose, your sinus is gonna love you. It's gonna love you. Get addicted to this point. Okay, well done. All right, cat feeder. 2 more to go. Number 6 is called triple warmer smoothie. Take your hands, put them on your eyes, and look really closely. You can't see anything. Then you stretch, take a breath in through the nose, out through the mouth, and gently stretch your eyes like this. Have them on your temples. And now move the hands with your in-breath around your ears like this, up to your neck like that, and dig into your shoulders like we did before with the crown pull, like that, and breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth, and 2 more times. And the triple warmer smoothie, if you have allergies, your body is in an emergency alarm state. Triple warmer is kind of the police, the firemen of the meridians, meaning that meridian often is way too active when we have allergies and actually increases the whole allergic reaction. 1 more breath, and out, and come to your heart center. I can't with the microphone, so put your hands on your heart like this, like in the middle, and breathe into your heart, which is also over your thymus gland. So this triple warmer smoothie is amazing to getting the body out of this emergency state, fight and flight, reduce adrenaline, and as a result, soothe and relieve your allergies. You've been doing really, really well, gut feeler. This one is the last one, I promise. We're gonna massage the spleen points. Remember your nipples, and underneath the nipples, there is a rib, and in between that rib, there are a lot of spleen points all around here. We start with this one. Spleen neurolymphatics, and press in pretty hard. If you're on the right point, you're gonna sense it. There's gonna be some discomfort. Spleen is amazing for metabolizing anything that doesn't serve you. May it be pollen that irritate your body, cat hair, horse hair, food, but even negativity. Negativity from your own thinking. Next point is here. Negativity from your own thinking, or negativity from other people. Here we go. Next one, both sides. Always between the ribs. Yeah, breathe in through the nose. If it's a bit uncomfortable, it's okay. And down low again. Breathing. Are you breathing? You're doing well. And 1 more time, the one under the nipple. Well done. 1 more time. Here we go. Pressure and release. I'm really proud of you, gut feeler. Download that sheet and do this routine twice every day for 7 days without buying any medication, any supplements, without spending $1. So make sure you really take that gift and try that out and practice it. Download the sheet right now, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.